Aku suka lihat anak-anak ya Allah. Yang ini Judas, yang ini so cool, yang ini ramah banget. Oh my goodness.
How do you like the color?
I have this one. Oh, thank you. Coming. Welcome. Hi. Hi, Jamalia, Lizzie, and this is who is this? Jacob. Welcome to the club.
Thank you, shoes of everyone. Shoes over here.
Halo sayang, apa kabar?
Baik, apa kabar?
Bagaimana nyasar?
Nyasar itu mau masuknya.
Oh my god, mereka ya Allah, sumpah kikut banget. Kapan aku punya yang begini? Sini aku curi satu aja.
3 dong tante, jangan 1.
Kalau 3 aku, si Brad bisa pingsan. Hai semuanya.
Halo.
Ketemu lagi bersama saya Tewati dan saya kedatangan tamu agung, Mami Dabul dan kerucil-kerucil tersayang
Yang paling heboh dan rempong sedunia. That's too loud katanya. Kita kekencengan.
Sorry, that's Uncle Brad say also I'm always too loud. Katanya too loud, teman-teman. Ya Allah, aku dikomplain ini sama kerucil. Can you say hello to the camera? Can you say
Say hello
hello?
to tante friends.
No. Oh my god, I didn't have anything for you guys. Kamu mau kalian soalnya datangnya dadakan. Oh my god, thank you so much.
Bisa Merry Christmas tante.
Thank you, Merry Christmas to you too. Oh, tante didn't have anything for you guys. I have something for you, but it's just small things. One of each.
Which one's mine?
I write there for Lizzie, for Jacob.
Mine. I wanna open mine.
Lucu banget.
What is that to tante? Is that your name on it?
Gelap
Oh, yeah,
banget.
yeah, that's Jacob's name.
What's my name?
Where's your name? This is Jemima.
It's my very own mom.
Oh my goodness. What do you say to tante?
Thank you, Papa. My name
Eh, thank you tante, no kakak.
Thank you. Dad.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yes.
Wow, that's amazing.
Why,
You go give tante a hug. Go. Easy. Go give tante a hug and say thank you.
Wow. I want to see what. I want to.
Yeah.
And say thank you tante. Give her a hug.
Ya Allah, ya
It's a
Allah,
pencil
lucu
case.
banget.
It's our very own.
Come here.
Easy, give tante a
Come
hug
here.
and say thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Why you so pretty, my goodness. Oh ya Allah, ya Allah. Ini kameranya. Wah.
Thank you to tante. Oh, look at that. You go say thank you to tante.
Pencil.
Wear pencil.
Oh my goodness. Ya, tante didn't give pensil. Jadi akhirnya kita ketemu ya di dunia nyata.
Emberan.
Tapi dia tuh dadakan, jadi aku tidak masak apa-apa.
Yes.
Katanya mau
I'm
hungry.
hungry.
Ya, tenang.
I don't want sausages.
What do you want?
What do you want?
You want to try the chicken strips or your favorite?
Yeah.
Yummy. I know, right? Nah, ini masukin aja ya, potato saladnya ya.
Berapa?
Jacob, that's okay. Calm down. I'll give you the chair. Look how many chairs there's time to
Be
go.
careful ya.
There's time to go.
Nanti ngejedak.
3, 1, 2.
Do you want pasta? Lizzie? Pasta? Mereka nggak suka pasta?
Dia tanya spaghetti bolognese.
Oh.
Dia pasta yang lain nggak makan. Karena ada bolognese banyak ayamnya.
Nggak tahu. Sebentar sayang.
Okay. No gendong. Okay. Are you going to carry this?
Why don't you get a better phone, babe?
You say thank you to Tante. Bismillah dulu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina azabannar.
Sini warna matanya warna apa?
Dia jadi hazel hijaunya, tadinya biru. Abu-abu Jumailah dulu biru juga waktu lahir.
Sekarang mereka warna apa?
Tapi dia 6 bulan hilang, dia kayak coklat terang gitu. Coklat merah gitu, tahu nggak? Kalau ngeliat itu,
Aku suka lihat anak-anak, ya Allah. Yang ini Judas, yang ini so cool, yang ini ramah banget. Nah, ini paling Judas. Senyum tuh, Ben.
soalnya udah kasih makan.
Ya Allah, kamu kan lucu banget sih, Nak. Ya Allah, yang sering golotok-golotok ini, yang sering guling-guling, ya. Sorry, makannya begini dong.
Ya Allah, ini makanan mahal malahan. Makanan mahal, Makanan kayak gini tuh jarang-jarang di Sydney, Australia. Cuma ada di rumah Wati. Dulu waktu ambil Lizzie gitu, kita kira anak kita cowok. Gue langsung bingung di depan toko. Ih, bajunya kayak gini doang, hitam, biru, abu-abu. Terus nggak tanya cewek, langsung semua. Kue mangkok pun, baju kue mangkok, baju donat gue.
Tapi berarti nurun dong bajunya ya?
Iya, Lizzie ke Jemailah nurun. Yes, my darling, I need to eat first now. Do you
Mami eat first ya.
Need to be alive in love.
I played volley when I was young.
Yeah, well, it's not fun when you're old. Oh, my arms. So sore.
But it's good that you're still active though.
Oh, I have to now. I have to lose weight.
Yeah.
My wife, she's not scared that I'm going to leave her, so she doesn't clean up anymore. She's never cooking dinner, so I think I get fit again, look good, and then she gets scared. She starts cooking dinner for me.
Good morning, sun. Good morning, life. Good morning, sun. How are you? Skies above. Jeeps.
This is the one I told you, or IPF baby.
No.
Expensive baby.
Healthy baby.
That one twin.
Don't you feel legs hurt?
My mom needs reading.
It's not breaking. If it just hurt.
Bleeding, she said. Mine is bleeding.
Well, that's obviously not true.
And then we have this one for the kids. We have this one from the kids. Thank you, yeah.
Thank you, Tante.
Oh, that's your favorite.
I'm trying to get
And what is this? We didn't give them anything. No, yuk, dia tuh nanti habis dalam sekejap sebel aku.
I'm swearing all the time.
Oh my goodness.
How do you like the color?
I didn't give anything. What is this, baby? What is this? Oh, Merry Christmas.
It's not as impressive as Trevor's beetroot.
Yeah, that's for Tante. Give it to Tante.
Oh.
Aku nggak kasih kalian apa-apa.
Iya.
Ya Allah.
Give it to Tante, that's for Tante.
Ayo, ini kamu mengaruh aku.
You don't need another purse. What's going on?
Thank you, Yuni.
Share, kids, share.
Oh, thank you. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Kiss. Ya Allah, kamu jadi nanti aku tunggu ya bujangmu. Ya Tante Wati and Om Brad, we wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Oh, thank you.
Later when you come here again, Auntie buy the pencil, okay? Yeah?
Okay, Tante.
Oh, you're so stingy, baby.
Huh?
You're so stingy. I told you to make sure you buy a pencil.
Nak.
What do you say? What do you say?
Marty's not not the zombie. We're going to get Wati.
Say.
Duduk sini ketinggian. Iya.
Because I have to.
Okay, kids.
Look at
Look
Oprah.
up here.
Deh.
No, we say bye-bye first. Oke teman-teman, jadi mereka udah mau pulang. Mami Dabul sama kerucil-kerucil. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say
Say
bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Say
Jangan
bye-bye,
lupa
teman-teman.
like, komen, dan subscribe.
Subscribe.
Jangan lupa juga kunjungi channel YouTube-nya Mami Dabul ya.
Unifux.
Unipuk. Oke, jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Salam Sampurasun. See you next vlog.
Bye.
Mwah.
Say thank
How
you.
the zombie just do that?
Okay. You're not a zombie. Okay.
Okay, it's time to say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for having us.
Bye-bye. So nice to meet you all.
Are you going, Tante?
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Tante.
Sama-sama, bye. See you next time, Jacob, Jumalia.
Tante, you want Tante to come? You tell Tante.
I'll have my car seat at the
Okay.
front of the car.
Apa
You want
katanya?
Tante to do?
Papa, let's go.
Let's go, Tante.
Oh, you want me to come? Maybe next time, ya? Oh, Jumalia. Bye, Lizzie.
Bye. Candace.
Oh,
What do you want Tante to do? You want
I
Tante
come
to
with you until front of there.
Okay, come on.
Maafkan ya kalau fotonya nggak ada yang benar, yang penting kebersamaannya. Terima kasih Yuni.